Alright, thank you guys for coming back. Right here I'm soldering rings. I'm taking a little bit of solder paste, put it right here, smear it over the joint. I'm gonna grab my pliers, hold this in, take this in, touch it on there. Solder them two ends together. And drop it in the water. There it is. It is. Just making a few rings today. We got a little bit of smoking. It is smoking. Yeah. Yeah. I started doing this back in 2013, and it was more of less a hobby, and it still is pretty much. I really enjoy doing it, so it doesn't feel like a job. It doesn't feel like a job at all. Once again, I want to say that I wouldn't have been doing this as long as I've been doing it now if it wasn't for people like you who support me. I really appreciate it. That's why I try and do a lot of things like the giveaway contest where I give away jewelry for free. I really enjoy doing that. Also, some of the other things that you guys may not know that I do, that I make breast cancer pendants, and I give those away too. So if you have somebody that has breast cancer or fought the breast cancer and overcome it, and you want them to have a pendant, then just drop me a message, and I'll get that out to you, free of charge. I don't charge for those. I don't charge anything at all for the breast cancer pendants. I mean, you can actually buy them if you want to support me with that, or you can actually just ask for one and just give me the shipping address and the name, and I'll send it out for free. But if you do want to support, and you can purchase a breast cancer pendant from one of my stores, either the Etsy store or the eBay store. And once again, you can use knucklejewelry.com to get there. If you're not on Facebook, you can do that. There it is. All right, thank you. Thumbs up.